Hey, what's up everybody? Honda Riding here. Welcome back to another video. So I got the sled in here. I just took it for a ride today. Here it is. Looking nice. Now, I just took it for a ride, but it gotta get some work done to it, and I'll tell you guys what. And hopefully we'll be able to do it all tonight. So here's the engine, and first thing I noticed was the boots are really rough, like really rough. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. And the second thing is I want to clean the carbs and do some other little stuff, because like change the boots, clean the carbs, because the carbs are gonna be off. Get a new air filter. 'Cause look at this thing, garbage, complete garbage. So yeah, hopefully this video we can get some stuff done to it. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go buy some parts. Okay guys, we're back in the garage. I got all the parts I need. I got new carburetor boots and I got spark plugs. So, we should be good to go. Plus, I was gonna buy an air filter, but they didn't sell any of like the little foam things. Here, I'll show you. It's just a little foam thing that covers it up. But if you noticed, look at this. That looks like it's bitten through. And this cage looks like it's also been bitten through. So we're gonna take this apart and see if there's any like mice living in there or anything. We're also probably gonna take off the exhaust and repaint it. I guess to start, guys, we could put the new spark plugs in. So I'm gonna take them out of the bag and we'll do that right now. We have one boot, the two spark plugs, and another boot. Ooh, nice. So right here, guys, we were in the process of removing the air box so that it would be easier to access the carburetors, because in order to take the boots or replace the boots, we had to take off the carburetors. We also did a little bit of carburetor work. I didn't go too in depth. I just did a little time lapse to show you guys the quick picture of it. But that's all we basically did. We took off the air box, took off the carburetors, cleaned the carbs a bit, and replaced the old boots with the new boots. Okay guys, so we just finished up working on the sled. Should be good now. Hopefully it's getting a little more power, because last time I drove it, it was getting power, but it wasn't doing its full potential. You could like feel it. So, but hopefully this helped a lot. We didn't do a full carb clean, and I didn't show us putting it back together, but here's the finished product, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Saucy yellow, bitch, I do this often. My bitch is bad, she always in office. So I got the tags on running my body. Can't see the pads, I'm living too fast. With 20, my dash, I'm up, but I lost him. He wanna brag, I emptied his bag and took what he had. Don't care what it cost him. Then he broke.